All right, so this is a SPY. It shows you what price uh they're holding Microsoft at. So they're holding at 300. Well, that's their average cost, and their vendor price is 427. So they're winning. Um, right now, what's the prices at Microsoft right now? Nvidia, they got it at 600, so they're really doing good on that one. $1,000, 12 million profit, and Amazon, they're making 800 million in profit. So that's how you know what price they get it for. And yeah, check VOO. Oh, they don't tell you on VOO what price to get it at. They don't tell you at Cookie Cube either. It's by G to tell you it's okay. To tell you what prices they're in. They got they're losing on this one on Microsoft. Average cost 317. No, actually they're winning. 317, 427. Apple, yeah, 165. They're doing good on that one. So they tell you what prices they enter in. So you can open this up, and if there's a drop, just try to copy their price because they'll be just holding. So yeah, this is a useful tool. It's thinkorswim fundamental. And thanks for watching.